I'm going to show you how to do a split back stitch. I often just call this stitch a split stitch, but there are two different ways of doing split stitch, and this is split back stitch to give it its proper name. So you start as though you're going to do a back stitch. So one straight stitch. You are then going to go back down into the stitch you have just done. Make sure you go in between the thread and that you are splitting the previous stitch. I've used 2 strands of floss here. It's easier to use an equal number of strands of embroidery thread, so the split is even. This way you get nice even stitches. You can see I actually did a split stitch during my back stitch tutorial. It is easy to do it accidentally when doing back stitch. You can split the stitch in the center of the previous stitch or towards one side depending on the effect you want. I'm doing quite large stitches so you can see what it looks like. Smaller stitches create a much neater look. Using more strands of thread creates a more raised and textured look. I'm using quite a lot of thread here. I don't recommend you use longer than your arm's length, really, as it has a tendency to create knots. Once you find your rhythm and your flow, it is quite an easy stitch to do. And that is split back stitch.